Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing a product called Manximo Gel, which is a male enhancement product that claims to increase penis size and improve sexual performance. We'll take a closer look at the ingredients, benefits, side effects, and how to use Manximo Gel. What is Manximo Gel? Manximo Gel is a male enhancement gel that is designed to increase penis size, improve libido, and enhance sexual performance. It contains a blend of natural ingredients that work together to increase blood flow to the penis and promote the growth of new cells. The gel is applied topically and is quickly absorbed into the skin, allowing the ingredients to start working immediately. Ingredients: Manximo Gel contains a blend of natural ingredients, including L-arginine, Tribulus terrestris, Epimedium sagittatum, and saw palmetto. L-arginine is an amino acid that is known to improve blood flow to the penis. Tribulus terrestris is a plant extract that has been shown to increase testosterone levels. Epimedium sagittatum is a herb that is believed to improve sexual function, while saw palmetto is known for its ability to improve prostate health. Benefits: the benefits of using Manximo Gel include increased penis size, improved sexual performance, and enhanced libido. The ingredients in the gel work together to increase blood flow to the penis, which can result in longer and stronger erections. The gel also helps to improve libido, which can lead to a more satisfying sexual experience. Side effects: while Manximo Gel is generally safe to use, there are some potential side effects to be aware of. These may include skin irritation, redness, or rash. It is important to test a small area of skin before applying the gel to the entire genital area. If you experience any adverse reactions, stop using the product and consult your doctor. How to use Manximo Gel? Using Manximo Gel is easy. Simply apply a small amount of the gel to the genital area and massage gently until fully absorbed. The gel should be applied once or twice a day, depending on your needs. It is important to follow the instructions carefully and not exceed the recommended dosage. In conclusion, Manximo Gel is a male enhancement product that contains a blend of natural ingredients that work together to increase penis size, improve sexual performance, and enhance libido. While there are some potential side effects to be aware of, the gel is generally safe to use. If you're looking for a way to improve your sexual performance and experience, Manximo Gel may be worth considering. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and information.